This is gift. Gift the gift. Your brother and your friend. From Sokoway Connections. Today we lift a sound of worship. Today we raise a cry for our nation. From the altars of mercy and favor, we call upon the name above every name. Jehovah Shammah, be present in Zambia. Let revival arise. Through every valley you carried us, through every storm you sheltered us. Now as one voice we stand to sing. You are our hope, our everything. From broken hearts to open skies, we lift our faith, we lift our eyes. Let your glory fall like rain, heal our land again. Arise, arise, oh God, let your fire fall on us. King of glory, hear our cry. Lift your banner in the sky. Jehovah Shammah, you are near, casting out our doubt and fear. As we worship, hearts ignite. Fill this nation with your light. Hey. From every city, every street, let revival windows beat. Youth awaken destiny, walking in your victory. We will stand, fight till your glory fills this land. We believe, we proclaim, Zambia will praise your name. Jehovah, Jehovah, you are here, you are here. Arise, Zambia, arise. Lift your voice to the sky. This is the sound of revival. This is the sound of hope. We worship you forever.